Hello everybody, today I'm going to make a grain-free monk fruit bun. This is actually a cinnamon bun, but because I don't have cinnamon, I'll be using monk fruit as a sugar replacer to put onto the dough. Here's the ingredients. Almond flour blanched, organic coconut flour, arrowroot flour, grain-free baking powder, psyllium husk, homemade almond milk, organic apple cider vinegar, monk fruit sugar, pure vanilla extract, Himalayan pink salt. In here, I pour water into the glass bowl and then I scoop a teaspoon of psyllium husk into the water to create a binder. And mix up everything. In here, I pour a measurement of 1 cup of almond flour and pour into the bucket. In here, I pour a measurement of half a cup of coconut flour and pour into the bucket. Then I pour a measurement up to half a cup of arrowroot flour and pour into the mixing. And then I pour 1 teaspoon grain-free baking powder into the mixing. Then I pour 1/4 Himalayan pink salt into the mixing. After that, I mix all the dry ingredients together. Then I pour up to a measurement of 1 cup of almond milk. Then after that, I decided to pour 3/4 of a cup of almond milk because I didn't want it to be too liquidy. Then I add 1 tablespoon organic apple cider vinegar into the mixing. And then I pour 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract into the mixing. In here, I put the cinnamon husk that I made earlier and put into the mixing. After putting all the wet ingredients into the mixing, I mixed all the ingredients together. And this is what it looks like after mixing all the ingredients together. In here, I start trying to put the dough together. As you can see, I reach out for the arrowroot starch and I use that as a kneader. And then I flatten everything out together. Once I flatten the dough down, I use monk fruit sugar and spread it all over the dough. Then I grab a knife and try to cut it into lines so I can roll up the dough. And these are my grain-free monk fruit rolls. In here, I pour the coconut oil that I melted earlier into the baking pan and use a spoon to spread it over the baking pan so that the monk fruit roll bun doesn't stick. Then I put the monk fruit roll buns into the baking pan. And this is what it looked like when I put it in this small baking pan. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. It is in the oven. When it is done, I'll show you guys what it looked like. And this is what it looks like when it's done baking. Some of them are burnt, but then it's still good to eat. As you can see, this part right here, the inside is really soft, but it's fine.